So Jai Mata students, once again welcome back on MEB Group of Institution, and I am your Satyam Mishra. As per you know, today is 17th of July 2024. We are going to attend the session of 17th July special current affair, and each and every content in detail wise and most important questions we will discuss here. Everyone take your notes, take your pen and start the journey of these questions. Next level you will get and you will feel yes, there are a lot of content which is very powerful and most important for your examination. So start now. As per we know, just second wait. As per we know, today is the 17th of July. Okay, 17th of July of 2024. Okay, now we have a question. Everyone take a paper, pen, everything. Okay, start. Get ready. Very good. Number first question saying, in which country the road named which country the road named after a doctor of Indian origin. Clear? This question has, in which country the road named after the doctor of Indian origin. Okay, just second wait. Everyone note down fast. Writing visible have, content visible have properly. Any problem, then candidate can easily ask. Okay, so we have a very important series, okay, which we are taking. Number first option, note down everyone. Number first option, Kuwait. Second option, Egypt. Third option, Saudi Arabia. And fourth option is UAE. Okay, question what is saying on your screen, in which country the road named after a doctor of Indian origin. Clear? Option Kuwait, Egypt, Saudi Arabia and UAE. Right answer of this question is UAE. Clear? In the UAE country, the road named after doctor of origin, Indian origin. Clear है? So your answer is which country have where side road named after doctor of Indian origin is UAE. Clear है? Next question. Question number second was saying, where was the second regional event? Where was second regional event, clear, of our constitution, okay, of our constitution, our honor held. Option have number first, Varanasi. Second option, Prayagraj. And third option, Sultanpur. And fourth option is Surat. Clear? Fourth option is Surat. Clear beta? Question was saying, where was second regional event of our constitution, our honor held? Option Varanasi, Prayagraj, Sultanpur, Surat. Right answer, Prayagraj. Where have beta? Prayagraj. In Prayagraj, our second regional event of our constitution, our honor held have. Clear have. Sure, question will ask where was the second regional event of our constitution our honor held have been. Prayagraj is the right answer. Prayagraj where have in Uttar Pradesh है. Clear है बेटा? Note down fast. Writing visible have. Okay. Next number, third number question what's saying बेटा? RBI has given okay, RBI has given approval to become a core investment company. Core investment company. Options have Paytm Finance. One minute, Paytm Finance है. Paytm Finance. Second option Jio Finance. And third option is Muthoot Finance. And fourth is Bajaj Finance. Clear है बेटा? Question was saying this, understand. RBI has given approval. RBI was given approval to one company to become a core investment company. Yes, to becoming a core investment company, RBI given have approval to which company? Paytm Finance, Jio Finance, Muthoot Finance, Bajaj Finance. Right answer here coming out is second option is Jio Finance. RBI has given approval to Jio Finance to become a core investment company. Understand? Core investment company approval who given? RBI given. To whom given? To Jio Finance. Clear है बेटा? Next question. So your Jio Finance going to become a core investment company approval by RBI. Clear है? Next question would say who became the new president of Rwanda. Oh, I'm sorry, Rwanda. Who became the new president of Rwanda? Option is Muhammad Mukhbar. Number first, Muhammad Mukhbar. Second option Nayab Bukele. And third option Almai, even Alaimi. Okay, oh sorry, Almai है बेटा, Almai. And fourth option बेटा Paul Kagame. Question saying who became the new president of Rwanda? Yes, who became the new president of Rwanda beta? Clear है? This country है Rwanda, country है beta. What है? Rwanda is a country. So who became the new president of Rwanda country? So options have Muhammad Mukhbar, Nayab Bukele, and Almai, and Paul Kagame. So right answer, new president of Rwanda is Paul Kagame, and Rwanda is the one country है, and Paul Kagame is the new president of Rwanda. Clear है? Understand? Next question what's saying where did the Amit Shah inaugurated Where did Amit Shah inaugurated the PM College of Excellence? The PM College of Excellence. College of Excellence. Clear. Option है बेटा जयपुर, जयपुर. Second option ऋषिकेश, and third option देहरादून. And fourth option Indore. Okay, options what है, question what है, where did Amit Shah inaugurated the PM College of Excellence? Option Jaipur, Rishikesh, Dehradun, Indore. Right answer will be coming out here beta, Dehradun. In the Dehradun, Amit Shah inaugurated the PM College of Excellence. Right answer. So Amit Shah where inaugurated the PM College of Excellence? Right answer will be Dehradun. Understand every candidate? Note down one time, then we will give the revision to you all. Okay. Good. Complete the revision fast. Okay. Now look at the revision. Question number first. In which country the road named after a doctor of origin, Indian origin? Right answer is UAE. In the UAE country, road named after a doctor of Indian origin. Second question. Where was second regional event of our constitution, our honor held? So in Prayagraj. In Prayagraj, second our Indian constitution, our regional event of our constitution, our honor held have. RBI had given approval to become a core investment company. RBI given one company approval to becoming a core investment company. Which company? Jio Finance. So Jio Finance going to become the core investment company approved by RBI. Who became the new president of Rwanda? Rwanda is the country. Rwanda new president became Paul Kagame. Where did Amit Shah inaugurated the PM College of Excellence? So PM College of Excellence inaugurated by Amit Shah. Where Amit inaugurated her? So in the Dehradun. Understand? Any problem candidate? Hope you understood this all. If understand have, so we are moving for the next question. Still you all will complete this fast. Okay. Complete fast beta everyone. Any kind of questions have, any issues have, easily can ask. So erase these questions. Okay. Clear? Okay. Question number 6 what saying? This understand. Question number 6 asking here, where did Uttarakhand open? Question number 6, yes. Okay. Where did Uttarakhand? Okay. Where did Uttarakhand opened its first bird gallery? Opened its first bird gallery. Clear? Question saying, where did Uttarakhand open its first bird gallery? Options what have here? Option number first is, just a second, wait beta, 1 second, wait everyone. Before this question, one question have, where did Amit Shah inaugurated PM College of Excellence? Their side option wrong given beta. Their side everyone improved. Their side right answer will be, their side at the place of Dehradun. Dehradun you written, yes. Dehradun. Wrong answer है their side, 5th number question. Their right answer will be beta, their right answer will be Indore beta. What have beta? Indore have, yes. You everyone tick on the Indore beta please. Okay, number 5th question. Fifth number question, PM College of Excellence. Okay, fifth question, PM College of Excellence. Okay, PM College of Excellence. Okay, PM College of Excellence where Indore, have not Dehradun. Please everyone improve this thing. Okay, next question number what's saying here, where did Uttarakhand open its first bird gallery? Option are Nainital, Rishikesh, third is Dehradun, and fourth is Almora. Okay, clear. Question was saying, where did Uttarakhand open its first bird gallery? Options are Nainital, Rishikesh, Dehradun, Almora. Right answer in the Dehradun. In the Dehradun, Uttarakhand opened its first bird gallery. Clear है बेटा? Uttarakhand opened its first bird gallery where? In the Dehradun. Clear है? Question number 7 was saying, who won the title of World Championship? Who won the title of World Championship of Legend? World Championship of Legends. Okay, 2024. Option what have on your screen? Option Indian Championship. Yes, no, India Championship, India. And the second option is Australia, and third option is Pakistan, and fourth option is Sri Lanka. Question was saying beta, who won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024? Which country won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024? Option India, Australia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Right answer will be beta India. But right answer India. India is the right answer. India won the title of World Championship, Legend World Championship of 2024. Clear? Next question, where was maritime partnership exercise okay, MPX held between the Indian Navy and US Navy in 2024. Option what have? Arabian Sea, second option what have? South China Sea, next is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Question what saying beta, understand firstly this, where was here, where was the maritime partnership exercise, MPX held between, okay, here between, I'm sorry, okay, between the Indian Navy and US Navy. Okay, United States Navy है and Indian Navy, both Navy in 2024 where the partnership exercise MPX between them both. So option are in Arabian Sea, South China Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. So right answer will be Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, on the Arabian Sea, sorry, in 2024 I'm sorry, in 2024 Indian Navy and US Navy both have partnership of the maritime partnership exercise MPX, okay, held between the both armies, both navies in Arabian Sea. Clear? Next question, number 9th. Question number 9 saying, under which operation under which operation did ITBP siege 108 kg, okay, gold on China? Under which operation did ITBP seize 108 kg gold on China? Option Operation Ajay, Operation Ajay. Second option, Operation Jazba. Operation Jazba. Third option, Operation Indravati. Operation Indravati. Operation Mumbai Bucket. China border here also, right? Okay. And fourth option, Operation Bumbi Bucket. Okay. Question was saying on your screen here, under which operation did ITBP siege 108 kg gold on China border? Option, Operation Ajay, Operation Jazba, Operation Indravati, Operation Bumbi Bucket. So right answer will be Operation Jazba. Operation Jazba is the right answer. Okay, Operation Jazba. Right answer is here. Under which operation did ITBP seize 108 kg gold on China border? Right answer here you got. Okay. Now 10th number question was saying this. Understand here. Clear? 10th number question. Just a second, wait. Number 10th question was saying, who won the exceptional bravery award by the International Maritime Organization for rescue operations in the Red Sea. Option would have Avilas Rawat. Avilas Rawat. Second option would have Anshuman Singh. And third option would have Dr. Arpit Chopra. Dr. Arpit Chopra. Fourth, no any. Okay, question would say, understand firstly, who won the Exceptional Bravery Award by the International Maritime Organization for rescue operations in the Red Sea? Option: Avilas Rawat, Anshuman Singh, Dr. Arpit Chopra, no anyone. So right answer to this question is Avilas Rawat. Avilas Rawat awarded for Exceptional Bravery Award by the International Maritime Organization for the rescue operation in the Red Sea. Clear? This is the right answer. Note down everyone. After that, I will give you one time revision, which will be very helpful for you all. Well, okay. There are 6 to 10 questions. That means 5 questions are here. You will get to see. Okay. Now do the revision to understand next level things. Number here 6th question: where did Uttarakhand open its first bird gallery? So Uttarakhand opened its first gallery in the bird gallery in the Dehradun. Next, who won the title of World Championship of Legion 2024? Answer is India. India won the title of World Championship Legion 2024. Where was the Maritime Partnership Exercise MPX held between the Indian Navy and US Navy in 2024? So right answer is Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, Indian Navy and US Navy both did the partnership for the MPX. Under which operation did ITBP seize 108 kg gold on China border? So operation was Jazba. Operation Jazba. Okay. Who won the Exceptional Bravery Award by the International Maritime Organization for the rescue operation in the Red Sea? Right answer is Avilas Rawat. Avilas Rawat is awarded won the award of Exceptional Bravery Award by the International Maritime Organization for the rescue operation in the Red Sea. Clear? Hope you understand. If any kind of problem, any kind of issues, any kind of doubt, anything, whatever you feel, if anything have related to this content class, you can easily ask to me. I'm ready, already suited. So give me permission to start the session. Any other one session and best level you all want. And be happy always in all case. Please smile on your face. Thank you so much. Be happy. Best of luck.